Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change or adjust your startup sounds on your Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung personalization. So, click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side, I scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung themes. So, click mo lang yan. So, dito sa themes, and then dito lang ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung sounds, Windows default, and then i-click mo lang yan. And pop up itong sounds settings. So, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung sounds. And then, pwede mo na itong i-change or i-customize. So, a sound theme is a set of sounds applied to events in Windows and programs. You can select an existing theme or save one you have modified. So, dito sa sound scheme, so, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select ka lang dito kung ano yung option mo. Kung Windows default, no sounds, and then yung Windows default modified. Alright, so dito naman sa program and events, so select ka lang dito kung saan mo i-apply yung sound scheme dito. So nandito yung mga selections mo mga kaibigan, so i-scroll mo lang itong arrow na yan or i-slide mo lang dito pababa, and then nandito na siya. So select ka lang dito, and then pwede mo naman itong i-play Windows Startup Sounds, so i-check mo lang yan, and then dito naman pwede mo i-click dito yung test mga kaibigan, i-click mo lang yan. So after, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change and customize startup sounds in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.